Paul. I'm with MarineMax here in Houston. I'm celebrating my 53rd year in the boat business in a very big way. I'm standing on the platform of the new 281 Grady-White Coastal Explorer, 2023 model, brand new for this year. We've had great success with the 251 Coastal Explorer, and now Grady's offering up a 28-foot with twin engines on the back. Come on board, let's check it out. Twin 300 Yamahas on the back. Check out this beautiful seating on the back. Yet this all converts to a fishing platform. Big live well underneath the center seat, but we have another larger live well right here in the helm station. Lots of rod holders everywhere. It's a great boat for doing a little bit of everything. Capable of offshore, but it's great for canal cruising, dinner cruising, bay fishing, whatever you want to do with that. Another great feature with the twin Yamahas, we've got the joystick, piloting. It's got set point, fish point, all the great features you get with that. MarineMax will customize whatever electronics package you want to put on here. Boat's got great storage. Storage here for your life jackets, things like that. Check out the beautiful head compartment this boat has on it. Moving forward, we've got some really awesome features. Look at this huge lounge chair. The cushion is removable, so you have a fishing platform underneath. But check that out. You folks that need some big boxes for your fish or your gear storage, this doubles as both. Another awesome feature on this model, we've got electrically activated backrests for your lounge chairs up front. And I know I'm going to repeat myself, but keep in mind these cushions are removable. It gives you a nice non-skid fishing platform underneath. This boat even is equipped with a windlass anchor system, and it's already pre-mounted with a removable trolling motor mount. And we do offer those here as well, all different types. All right, this is one of the great features on this boat. We've got a huge lounger here with a removable cushion, so you have nice non-skid underneath if you want to use that for a second fishing platform. But look at this. Look at all that storage. It'll hold a lot of fish. And it's all fully insulated. You can use it for fish, gear, whatever you want to put in there. And it does drain. All right, check out this deluxe helm area. We've got some really comfortable, you got a nice comfortable helm seat plus your companion seat. Nice armrests. We still have the drop-down bolster. And we have a double footrest here. So it's really comfortable no matter if you're driving standing up, sitting down. Got a nice tilt steering system. Everything is where it should be. And we can mount your electronics wherever you want them. And we handle every brand. Y'all have got to come see this boat. It will do everything you want it to do. I'm Paul at MarineMax. I'd be glad to take care of you on this boat or any of our other great offerings we have here. Come check us out.